In this video, we are going to see how we can resolve this TAO Nt Naming Service error, and that occurs while using the SAP Business One Service Manager. Maybe you are trying to refresh this, or maybe you are trying to set the port. It says connection to the license server failed. If the license server address is invalid, correct it. If TAO Nt Naming Service stop, activated and restart the license manager. So here's how you can easily resolve this. First of all, always make sure before running SAP Business One that your system date and the virtual machine date both should be set to whatever I have said. In most cases, it will be 26th of December 2022 or whatever we have specified. After that, you just go to the service manager. Whatever error you are seeing, make sure that the server shows the desktop name, which is the PC name. IP address name will be the same, and service is set to license manager. Make sure that this is ticked, start when operating system starts, and stop it once and restart the service. Try to run SAP Business One. If it still shows that error, or you see the error in the service manager, just go to the settings and set the port once without changing anything. Just set it once. You don't need to connect it or do anything else. Connect it, just set it, click OK, and click OK. Let's test this. SAP Business One, try to run it, click on change company, and you should be able to see your companies here. Simply log in. If you're using OEC computers, user ID is manager, password is manager, hit OK, and you're good to go. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.